Doing groceries today. Here at the counter now. Doing our grocery today. Was able to do our grocery with my daughter. It's December 8th today. Doing my grocery. This is our grocery today. And this one over there in the counter.
Calling for Mobile Merchandiser to please scan area plates.
It's December 8th today, so we are here for grocery for our Christmas and New Year. I'm here for grocery with my daughter, enjoying the day together. After grocery, we're going to have coffee with my daughter. It's fun though. I'm not done yet. We will continue our grocery later because we're going for coffee. I am here at the counter now. We are doing our grocery. I'm waiting for the counter. We are in line. So we are just waiting for the counter. BIBU. Ada dyan booklet. Nasa booklet dyan. Almost done with my grocery today. We are here for the groceries. It's December 8th, so we are out with my daughter. We're going to have coffee after the grocery. It's my date time with my daughter. It's fun doing groceries. I enjoy it. Thank you for watching.